Which number is divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6? Okay, here most of the students will try to solve this problem by back solving. That is, they will check the numbers in the answer choices one by one. That is, each number is divisible by the given four numbers. So it's time consuming. There is a way to get the answer directly. What we need to do is we have to find the least common multiple of the given four numbers. Let me take these four numbers in L division. That is 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to get the common divisor for all the four numbers if possible. No, there is no common divisor for all the four numbers. Okay, now let's check whether there is any common divisor for at least three numbers. No. And we have a common divisor for two numbers. Either we can consider 3 and 6 or we can consider 4 and 6. Let me consider 3 and 6. For 3 and 6, there is a common divisor 3. Okay, now let's divide by 3. Okay, when I divide 3 by 3, I'm getting 1. And 4 is not divisible by 3, so we can write this 4 as it is. 5 is not divisible by 3, we can write this 5 as it is. And 6 is divisible by 3. When I divide 6 by 3, I'm getting 2. Okay, now there is no common divisor for all the four numbers, but we have a common divisor for this 4 and 2. That is 2, we can divide it by 2. Since 1 is not divisible by 2, we can write this 1 as it is. When I divide 4 by 2, I'm getting 2. 5 is not divisible by 2, so we can write this 5 as it is. When I divide this 2 by 2, I'm getting 1. Okay, now there is no common divisor even for at least two numbers over here. Now we have to stop the process. We have to multiply the six numbers I marked over here. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 12 times 5 is 60, 60 times 1 is 60. So the least common multiple of 3, 4, 5 and 6 is 60. Now to get the number which is divisible by all these four numbers, we have to consider the number in the answer choices which is a multiple of the 60, that is the least common multiple. Clearly, 120 is a multiple of 60. So 120 is the number which is divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. The correct answer choice for this question is D.